Hi, hope you're well. Thanks for looking at this one. So here we've got a Ford Transit. It's a 350. It's an L3 long wheelbase chassis cab with a metal tool pod and a Bison Tipper behind it. Bison Tipper colour coded to the cab in white. It's a 2 litre 130 PS Euro 6 with the AdBlue. You've got your AdBlue and your fuel filler there. Base model chassis cab, but does have Vispac low, so it's got electric windows standard. This one's also got electric mirrors and heated windscreen, nice feature for the winter. No scraping the ice off. So it's a new and unregistered import, 2-year warranty, delivery mileage 166 delivery miles. So good storage in the cab. You've got a little office in the middle seat. The seat base, both seat bases lift up and you've got storage underneath. You've also got overhead storage and some in the dashboard there. So standard radio, no CD player, but you do get your MP3 aux, charge your phone with, and also Bluetooth standard, so you've got safe driving. So metal tool pod, lockable doors, so 2 handles. So doors on, shock absorbers to stop them from swinging round and bashing the cab. So straight through toolbox, no shelf, but you've got good lines, if you like, down both sides to be able to put shelves on. Just cut round them and screw straight in. So 2 locks on both sides, on each side. Just lock with the key. It's a nice big tipping ram, dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive. So like I say, you've got your Bison tipping body on the back here, steel floor. Alley sides, so alley side and tailboard colour coded to the cab, and then your steel floor. Both sides drop down. The tailboard drops down from the top and also released from the bottom, so it's an up and over. Put your body down and in place for driving. There we are. If you've got any questions or need any more details, give me a call in the office, please. 0118 979 0060. Thanks for watching. Take care.